Hello friends, welcome on Easy Health Solutions. Today you will know about the benefits, side effects of eating watermelon during your pregnancy period. Fruit of watermelon offer many benefits during your pregnancy. These range from reduced swelling and increase of pregnancy complication to relief from morning sickness to better skin. Watermelon is a source of carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. It also has around 91% of water, which makes it a good hydrating fruit during pregnancy. Moreover, watermelon is also loaded with vitamin C, copper, vitamin B5, provitamin A. Watermelon is also rich in lutein and lycopene, which are good antioxidants that help protect your body against damage and disease. These antioxidants may also help lower the risk of preterm birth and other pregnancy complications. As you all know, preeclampsia is a pregnancy complication marked by high blood pressure, increased swelling, and loss of protein in the urine. So, eating watermelon on a regular basis will give you a good dose of lycopene, and this lycopene is beneficial in protecting the woman from developing preeclampsia during pregnancy. As you all know, during pregnancy period, woman becomes more prone to dehydration, and this dehydration may result in problems like constipation and hemorrhoids or piles. Watermelon is rich in water content and fiber, so eating watermelon during your pregnancy is a good way to prevent constipation, hemorrhoids, and other pregnancy related complications. Pregnant women commonly suffer from digestive issues like heartburn and acidity. Watermelon helps reduces these issues by soothing the food pipe and stomach. Eating watermelon is a good way to prevent problem of heartburn. Drinking a fresh glass of watermelon juice early in the morning is a superb idea during pregnancy. Watermelon provides a soothing and refreshing experience all day long, and nutrients present in watermelon will help alleviate the symptoms of morning sickness. The increasing weight and fluctuating hormones can lead to pain in the muscles and bones. Including watermelon in any form helps the body to cope with and ease the muscle cramps. Watermelon has diuretic properties, so it helps flush out harmful toxins from the body. It stimulates kidney function, purifies the liver, and reduces uric acid levels in the blood. Watermelon is blessed with nutrients like potassium, magnesium, vitamin A, B1, and B6. These nutrients are the natural energy boosters, thus offering great energy for the body. Now let us discuss about the side effects of consuming watermelon during pregnancy. Excessive intake of watermelon during pregnancy can increase your blood glucose levels. So avoid watermelon if you are dealing with the problem of diabetes. You should avoid eating a watermelon that is kept in the open for a long time, as it can lead to digestive issues like nausea, vomiting, and other gastrointestinal problems. Always choose to have fresh cut fruit or juice. Friends, if you are pregnant and want to consume watermelon during your pregnancy, then you should first consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. And also always consume this fruit in limits. To minimize the risk of food poisoning, you should refrain from eating watermelon that has remained at room temperature for longer than 2 hours. So friends, this was all about eating watermelon during your pregnancy period. That's all for today. Please like this video, share this video, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.